Let's take a look at the LEGO Super Mario Boss Sumo Bro Topple Tower Expansion Set, number 71388. With 231 total pieces, it's suitable for ages 6 and up. It serves as a really cool add-on to your existing LEGO Super Mario starter set, because you can use your LEGO Mario figure, and maybe your Luigi if you like, to battle against Boss Sumo Bro. You'll do so by having Mario, Luigi, or both jump on these pads and topple the tower. After a few knocks, the tower starts to tip over and fall off. It's all mechanical, no batteries necessary for this set. The Boss Sumo Bro is a really great figure too. I love how much character he has. As he leans back and forth, his arms swing pretty wildly. And he actually comes off the tower too. I wasn't trying to knock him off at this moment, but there it is. Behind him is a star block with a barcode, and on his back there's another barcode. Scanning the barcode with the Super Mario or Luigi figures will play different sound effects. In addition to the Boss Sumo Bro, there's also the Crow figure, known as Crowbar. He's got his own barcode on top, and Mario can play a sound effect using that as well. I like this lever mechanism that rocks the tower. You can really get it going by using one or both of the levers. Let's take off this tower and get a better look inside. I want to show you what's all in there. It's really not that complicated, simple and effective, but I find it rather ingenious. Because of how much action there is involved in this set, my kids really enjoyed using it. They like adding it onto some of their other sets, making a big old level out of it, and you can put this guy as the boss at the end of the level. Anyways, it's fun, it's a worthwhile addition to a LEGO Super Mario collection, and I'm glad that we have it in our house. You might consider it for yours.